STAI stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. So looking at ScanTech AI Systems, still inside of demand zone, but it's still kind of pulling down. It's like 10% down. Before I get into it, context, I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of fake predictions, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. So looking at STAI, the only time what I'm actually going to care really about this is if the price pulls back inside this demand and shows me a shift, right? If that happens, then sick, right? There's like really nothing for me to do here. But that's why like I gotta be patient. When I say you, I'm also mean like myself. Because again, this is all demo and simulated in just my opinion and the stuff that I've learned over 36,000 videos that I have made. So looking at STAI, I'm only really going to buy if there's a shift. If not, it's all good. Stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.